Hello students, I welcome you to the Social Studies class 3rd. Okay, students, today we are going to learn chapter 14, that is being good and being safe. Student, before going to learn this chapter, let us read this poem and learn about being safe. Okay. Rules, rules, rules. Oh, why do we have rules? They rule my life, and that I don't like. Rules, rules, and more rules from morning to night. Could I be free from rules just for a day or night? Rules, rules, rules. Oh, why do we have rules? Students, why do we need rules? Rules keep us safe. We have rules that we follow while we are at school. We have these rules to help keep us safe. Students, why we have rules? Because rules keep us safe. Rules save time. Rules making sure learning is happen. Rules feel comfortable. Rules stop interruptions. Rules for learning and learning. Students, most of us feel the same way about rules, but rules are very important. Have you seen what happens when the traffic lights are not working? There is total confusion on the roads. What do you mean by rules? Let us know. Okay. Rules, some things that tell you what you should do or should not do. Let us know the meaning of confusion. Confusion, a situation in which people do not know what to do. Students, try and imagine what would happen if all the students in your class tried to get onto the school bus together at the same time. Yes, there would be a big problem and someone could get hurt. Students, what will happen if everyone in your class tries to get out of the door at the same time? Yes, someone would get hurt. So, we have to follow the rules. This is why we need rules. They help us to do our work better. Without rules, it would be very difficult for people to live together in harmony. What do you mean by harmony, students? Harmony, a state of living together peacefully. Students, in this picture you can see a traffic jam. Students, you have read about early humans in your previous chapters. Yes, they also followed some rules. In fact, early humans could survive only because they followed rules. When they settled down in one place, they divided the work. Some of them hunted animals, some gathered fruits, some took care of children, etc. Afterwards, when humans started farming and living in villages and towns, more rules were added when needed. Students, there are different rules for different kinds of work. What do you do when you are asked to perform a group activity such as making a chart? You divide the work among your group. For example, one student gets the chart paper, another gets the pictures, other get information, and so on. Since you all work together, the activity is completed faster. If everyone follows the rules, then the work will be done well. Students, did you know? Have you seen ants working? They are very good example of a group following rules. Each ant carries its load and moves in a line, never pushing others or lagging behind. Rules at school. Students, we always say please and thank you. We are always nice to other people. We listen to everything the teacher says. We try to help keep our classroom clean. And we study and play safely. These are the rules at school. Let us talk of rules in school. As you spend a large part of your day in school, you must. Students, reach school on time. Be neatly dressed in your complete uniform. Not run down staircases. Not push others while going in or out of the classroom. Respect your teachers and other staff members. Keep your desk and bag neat and tidy. Speak kindly to everyone, including helpers, bus drivers, and conductors. Switch off lights and fans when not needed. Students, in this picture you can see switch off lights and fans when you leave your class. Rules on the road. Students, how do you come to school? Students, some of you may be using the school bus, others may be coming to school with an elder, walking or by car or a two-wheeler. You have to follow rules on the roads in the bus or car as well you must. Students, let us know the rules on the road. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. Not run or play on the road. Use the footpath for walking. Students, in this picture you can see cross the road at a zebra crossing. Walk and not run while crossing the road. Follow the traffic signals: green for go, amber for slow down, and red for stop. Wait for the signal to cross the road. Look to the right, then to the left, and then to the right again, and then cross the road. Not stick your head or hand out of a moving vehicle. Not play behind a parked vehicle as it may suddenly move. Use the seat belt while traveling by car. Students, remember, rules save us from accidents, so follow them and stay alert. Students, in this picture you can see wear the seat belt while traveling in a car. Rules at home. Students, let us know the rules, that is things not to do. Okay. Students, no arguing or talking back. No screaming or yelling. No lying to anyone. No asking people to buy you toys. No toys at the table. No going outside by yourself. No destroying the house. Breaking anything. Writing on the wall or floor. Playing with computer, printer or TV. Peeing on the wall or floor. No climbing, jumping or running inside. No violence, throwing anything, hitting or pushing, fighting, kicking, scratching, biting. No being mean to others, telling people what to do, teasing or taunting others, taking things away from others. Students, once you reach home, there are rules again. What is the first thing you do when you reach home? You must put your things away and keep your room neat and tidy. Your friends will like visiting you if all your toys are in your room and not all over the house. Be helpful and respectful. Do not leave lights and fans switched on when no one is in the room. Do not leave the tap on when you are brushing your teeth. Save water and electricity as both are very precious. Be careful while using knives, blades, and scissors. Always make sure that a grown-up is nearby when using these sharp objects. Do not play with matches. Be careful while handling any electrical gadgets. Try not to go out late in the evening or night. Do not open the front door for strangers when you are alone. Always share your problems. You must tell someone you can trust if something bad happens to you. Students, look at this picture. Be helpful to others. Students, the world is a beautiful place, but it can also be dangerous. It is best to follow certain rules which help us to stay safe and happy. We should enjoy ourselves and have fun, but also remember to follow rules that are necessary for our safety. Students, with this we have completed our chapter. Now let's recall. Rules help us to do our work better. Early humans also followed some rules. There are different rules for different kinds of work. We have to follow some rules at school, at home, and when we are on the road. Traffic rules are very important to avoid accidents. Rules keep us safe and happy.